Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download leads from LandWatch for off-market land investing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the LandWatch website. In the search bar, enter the location or criteria for the land you're interested in. Click the search icon to view the listings that match your criteria. Once the listings appear, use the filters on the left to refine your results further. Select the appropriate filters such as price range, property type, and size. After refining your search, browse through the available listings on the page. When you find a property that interests you, click on the listing to view the details. On the property details page, look for the contact information of the seller or agent. Make sure to take note of the seller's name, email address, and phone number. If you want to save this information, open a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Create columns for seller name, email, phone number, and property details. As you go through each listing, fill in the relevant information into your spreadsheet. Repeat this process for each property that meets your investment criteria. Once you have compiled a list of leads, review the information for accuracy. You can now use this information to contact potential sellers for off-market land investing. Save your spreadsheet for future reference and follow up with the leads as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.